Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a quick look at extension methods. This extension method will give us the ability to add functionality to existing type. In this case, we're going to use the book class type that we built earlier, and we can modify some of its behavior without changing the original type or creating a new type of book class, and it allows us to be directly self-referential to it. So it's very similar to the dot string toString method that we see used so frequently. So let's first build the structure. The most important thing about building the extension method is it needs to be done in a static class. Remember, this breaks the object-oriented paradigm. Even though I'm using what will be an object, it allows me to use this on any object. It's always going to be the same. So that's why it's going in a static class here. First thing I want to do is write the function prototype. We're going to just display the book information. Now inside the parameter list here is very important. It's the object that we're going to extend here. So it's a book object. This keyword is the self-referential. This is what allows us to do the dot toString or the dot toUpper on a char perhaps. These are extension methods of that. So it's very similar to how we've used all those char methods. toUpper is upper, toLower is lower, is white space. That's the equivalent of what we're building here for the book class. And the reason it's not going inside the book class is because the extension methods need to be in a static class. So I've chosen the static class that we've already started here. Inside of this, we're going to use the interpolation, the string interpolation, and just collect some information about the book. That's all we'll do. Keep it pretty simple. We'll just do book title here. Let's say that's the title, and then yeah, that should be good. We'll just do that for now, and then I should probably put the author as well, actually. You might have a repeating title. And then we're going to call this method, the extension method here. We're going to call it when the user tries to reserve a book. So the way we do that is book dot and display book info, right? But first I need to build that book class. Now I've created a book here using that, and that's how we would create the book similarly. This is a cast right here, right? So we're looking at the line item inside our grid view. Remember, that's where we stored all this book information. The book class has been stored inside the grid view line item itself. And so I'm able to read that grid view line item, that row, and convert it into a book. Now I have a book here of type book. So now we can use book dot display book info. We've extended that method right here, right? So this will come with the information of the book. It'll return this string. So this value here will be a string that has this information. It'll be the book title. It'll say title colon book title. So based upon the book I've selected, whatever that information that we stored in the book class here, this title, whatever we stored in there will appear in addition to the author. So whatever information we've populated here. So that comes from our book manager class right here. when we create these new books. So 1984, George Orwell would appear if I selected that book. And then let's just do a message box and show that book is being checked out. And let's run this. And when the user reserves a book, it's going to say checking out that book. Perfect. And now you can see how nice and easy and clean an extension method is, and it's kind of intuitive to how we've been using these other methods. So that's a really simple, effective implementation of an extension method. So that's all we're going to cover in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.